Hello guys, it is Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize if I sound like a man right now or if my voice is deeper than usual. It's because it's 12 a.m. and I'm tired. And now my legs really hurt. It feels like growing pains. In today's video, I'm doing a what I got for Christmas. I think I've done it like 3 years in a row now. I thought I would kind of continue that and do it again. So that's what we're doing in today's video. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Christmas 2019. I'm really happy with actually everything I got.
I'm actually like really happy.
Obviously, Christmas is not about gifts. It's about Jesus' birth. Whether you choose to believe that or not, that is the meaning of Christmas. So if you guys want to see what I got for Christmas, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Also, comment down below your favorite thing that you got for Christmas this year because I want to know. So let's just get started. I'm gonna start with my stocking. My mom got me this AirPod case, which is really nice. I feel like this is good for traveling. Got some natural teeth whitening toothpaste. I got this body wash, which I have not smelled it yet. It's Epsom salt and it looks like it has lavender oil in it. Eyelash serum. Why is that so hard to say? Eyelash serum. So your eyelashes can grow. A makeup blender. 3 pairs of socks. Also, these are some of my favorite colors. And last, I got some gum from Trader Joe's, my favorite place. So that is everything that I got in my stocking this year. Thanks, Mom. First, I'm gonna start with what my friends got me. This is from one of my best friends, Laurel. She got me these really pretty butterfly clips. She was actually wearing these one time, and I pointed out how much I love them on her and how cute they were. And she got me a pair too. And then she got me this like clay butterfly that you just like sit on your desk or a table. It's just for decoration. Thank you, Laurel. Next, I got something from one of my other best friends, Abigail, and I don't know how she does it, but she is the thrifting queen. This is what she got me. It's this bomber jacket. I've literally never seen anything like this before. Half like windbreaker material and then half velvet. The only way I can describe the print of this is like Greek mythology. Like there's definitely some like Roman like statues here. There's other weird looking faces and like stars on it. It's super, super cool. So this is what it looks like on me. It is so cute. This is the back. Next thing I got is from my friend Jonathan. He clearly knows me well because he got me a Studio Ghibli film. If you guys don't know, one of my favorite movies is by Studio Ghibli. It's called Ponyo. I feel like I secretly have always loved anime. Although I don't watch really any other anime, like all I know is Studio Ghibli, which is like the most basic thing that anyone can like. He got me this movie that I've literally never heard of. Like I'm such a fake fan. This one is Howl's Moving Castle. I've never heard of that, but he said it was really good. I actually bought myself a couple of things too during Black Friday. The first thing I got is this dress from Munif. It's this really simple maxi dress. It looks like Little House on the Prairie kind of. And the only bad thing that I can say about this is that this type of dress isn't something that you can wear every day. Like it has a certain style and look to it that you have to be in the mood for. I also bought myself a pair of platform Converse in the color white. I don't know why I still buy white shoes because they just get dirty and I hate the look of dirty shoes. Since we're on the topic, something that I got from my grandma that has to do with these shoes are these foot soles called foot soles. Okay, I have to take them out of my shoes. So this is what they look like. And fun fact, I believe the creator of this brand, he used to work at Trader Joe's. He lived in his Converse and realistically, Converse are not comfortable at all. So he created this insert that you can put into your Converse. And I have to say, I was wearing these shoes all day with this foot sole and my feet did not hurt. The next thing I got, I asked my grandma to get it for me and it's the Rode VideoMicro. I'm actually using it right now. I thought I would finally upgrade. It also comes with this thing which is called a dead cat, and I mainly got this for vlogging on the go. Something like this is gonna help with the wind so it doesn't pick it up as easily. The next thing that I got is actually something that I asked for. Back in July when I was in California, I went to the Greer concert, and if you don't know who they are a relatively small band, but they are friends with a lot of people that you guys probably know. If you're familiar with like Drew Phillips or Enya, they're all friends with these people in the band, and that's how I discovered them, from Drew Phillips. So I bought this poster. It was $30 and they all signed it. There's Lucas, Seth, Nick, I think that's Josiah. I think this is my favorite. The next thing my parents got me is a joke, but I technically wanted one. It's this neck mount, and basically what you do is you put it around your neck and then you put your phone on the mount. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm vlogging on my neck mount. I hope it looks good. Another thing that I got from my parents I actually don't have right now. I got the DJI Mavic Mini drone. I did get that. It was not cheap, but I paid for most of it. They just helped with like a little bit of it. My older sister Nicole got me 2 travel size body washes from Lush. This one is Sleepy and it's probably my favorite scent ever. And then the next one is Happy. Next, my little sister gave me earrings. So it's actually by this brand, however you say it. I want to say Choker. I don't know if that's focus, but she got me these dangly star earrings. The next thing I got is for my twin sister Katie. She got me some fairy dust from Lush and it basically just smells very fruity and girly. Also from Lush, she got me this cloth that you could either like hang on the wall or wear it as a bandana. It looks like something from like Antarctica. Katie also got me a shower gel from Lush and this is actually so pretty. It's sparkly and I haven't noticed if the sparkles stay on. I've used this once and I don't think they did. I feel like it's just for the looks. The last thing Katie got me is this butterfly felt. It's really cute and I definitely want to put it in my car. Also, my grandma on my dad's side got me a $25 Sephora gift card, which was really nice of her, so thank you. And that is pretty much everything I got, but there is one more thing that probably tops everything that I got. This is the best gift to receive on Christmas. So basically on Christmas morning, I woke up to 100,000 subscribers. Okay, why am I crying right now? And saying that out loud is wild. Like, it makes me want to tear up because I've been doing YouTube for 5 years now. Somehow I keep growing and somehow my videos keep going viral. I don't know what is happening. And the fact that it happened on Christmas morning was so magical, and thank you guys so much for subscribing. I feel like now that I've reached 100,000 subscribers, I want to say I feel relieved because this has always been a goal of mine. I just can't believe I'm here. This really does feel like a start to a new beginning. And that is the end to this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Also, don't forget to comment down below your favorite thing that you got for Christmas because I would love to know. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!